Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to change your skin on Minecraft SKlauncher. So basically you need to go onto a website like this. So you would search SKlauncher like that. Once you search up SKlauncher, you need to click the first link that shows up. So right here, click that, and once you've done that, you must sign into an account. So I already signed into a Google account. You must need to sign in. Make sure you guys save your password on somewhere else. Write down it, because after you come into a new day of SKlauncher, you would be asking the password. So make sure you guys write down your password on somewhere else on a book, so it would be helpful for signing in again and again. Alright guys, so next up we need to click up my account and click customization. Once your customization done, click up username and make sure you guys make username. So I would make a username right here, over underscore analyzer. So once you've done that guys, you would click create a profile like this, create a new profile success, and give it a moment, and this is your new account guys. So after you make a account, you need to click up this, choose a file. So I already have my skin right here, you guys can choose it. So I would click that and my skin would be pop up right here. So you guys can also choose capes. Also you guys can download capes from here by clicking it, and you guys, if you don't have any capes downloaded, you guys can click this explore capes and you would download any capes you like. So that's a different video guys. So if you guys need to put capes, make sure you guys click this video on the upper of the video, or I would put a description link down below. Alright guys, after you make a account and put the skin, make sure you guys save changes right here. After you save changes, let's go ahead and open up the SKlauncher. Let's open the SKlauncher right here. Alright guys, okay guys, after you open the SKlauncher, you guys can see my account is right here, or you guys can so you guys probably would see like this type of interface. Once you are in the SKlauncher, you guys can put your username right here over analyzer that I put onto my username. So click login offline and you would see a face that is your skin. So it basically works guys now. So let's enter a game real quick. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this is my skin right here and I put it on my SKlauncher and it's probably working real fine, you guys can see. So that's how you guys can put any skin on SKlauncher. So if you guys need to see on how to put capes on SKlauncher, there would be a link as I said previously. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys.